Hello. I understand that a lot of people have issues with making circles, and always either end up with these stupid edges, or end up making one of these spike circles like I used to resort to all the time. Recently I quote-unquote made an equation for making circles in this game, and hope it can help you. Starting off with a general tip, you generally want to rotate your starting block to have the blue axis at floor level. For some reason, the blue rotation axis is the only one that is accurate with blocks rotated by numbers with decimals. Side note, when I say angle in these next sections, I am referring to the angle difference per block. So, for example, if you were to have two blocks next to each other, and the angle difference between them was 5 degrees on the XY plane, I would say that the angle for that circle is 5. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is find out either how many total blocks you want in the circle, or find out what angle you need for the circle. These are basically the same equation but flipped values. To find the block total, you divide 360 by the angle you want for your circle, and inversely, to find the angle you need for your circle, you divide 360 by the block total chosen. Once you have your block total sorted out, you want to divide that number by pi so you can get the base diameter. When I say base diameter, I am referring to a circle made of 1 stud wide parts, as it's only 1 unit. If you then take your base diameter and multiply it by the block width you'd like, it will result in what I call the true diameter, which literally just means the diameter for any given block width and angles your circle will have. So to restate this really quickly, you want to 1. Divide 360 by the degrees you want. That will give you the block total. Then 2. Divide the block total by pi to get the base diameter. Then 3. The base diameter by block width equals the true diameter. In order to set the diameter for the circle while building, you casually want to use the copy tool and move it exactly to the diameter distance minus the thickness of your given block. And when you find your diameter, you have these two pieces that provide a pivot point to the direct center of your circle. So you can just copy those and rotate them perfectly to their place, which is why I calculated for a diameter and not radius. Huge note for all of these equations: if anything ends up in the hundredths position and is 5 or above, please consider rounding up. It will generally give you a smoother design. And as a final piece of advice, you can find the block width if you have a diameter you know you want. Just take your chosen diameter, then multiply that by pi, and then divide that by the block total you want. It's a little strange, but it works out just fine, and I hope you'll find it helpful. Thanks for watching this video. This was my first of any tutorials for Build-A-Boat, so if this helped you any, maybe I could make some more to help spread the creativity and build simplicity. If you need any further explanation, or if I worded something wrong, please ask or correct me, as this is all to spread knowledge. So if I gave misinfo, please let me know. See you later.